Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today, did you all seeing my video? You should see my videos regularly. Okay. And today I am going to teach you a interesting lesson. The name of the lesson is Learning the Game. Okay. The story of Tarun, before what lesson we learned? Tarun lesson. The story of Tarun highlights the importance of hard work, encouragement and motivation in achieving one's goal. So in this lesson what we have studied? We studied about the importance of hard work, encouragement, motivation in achieving one's goal. But this lesson also similar lesson only, but little bit different. Okay. Now let's read the words of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about its efforts to become a good cricketer. So in this lesson we are going to learn about Sachin Tendulkar. You all know about the famous legend Sachin Tendulkar. So before studying the lesson we should know about who is Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, his full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So he was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He is a former Indian cricketer. Okay, he is a former Indian cricketer and the captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. Okay, he is the greatest cricketers of all time. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries. So, he is the only player. He has scored 100 international centuries. The first to score a double century in a one-day international. And the only player to complete more than 30,000 runs. Okay, he complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. He played 664 international cricket match in total, scoring 34,357 runs. He received the Arjuna Award in 1994. So, he received the Arjuna Award in 1994. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997 and the Padma Shri and the Padma Bhushan Awards in 1999 and 2008 respectively. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. So he got the Bharat Ratna award, highest civilian award on 16th November 2013. In 2012, Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. He retired from the cricket on 16 November 2013. So, this lesson, the learning the game, is an extract from his autobiography. Okay, this lesson is extract from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Okay, this lesson is extract from his autobiography. So, now we are going to see the lesson. From a early age, I played tennis ball. I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. So, what he is telling is experience. Okay, what he was telling from his early age, when he was young, I used to play tennis ball. Okay, tennis ball. He is playing tennis ball with his friends. I loved watching cricket on television and in our games. So, he likes watching cricket in television and nearby colony friends. I often try to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivid Richards. So what he was telling, I often imitate. I will follow. Okay, I will emulate means imitate the mannerism of favorite players. Who is the favorite players? His favorite players is Sunil Gavaskar and Vivid Richards. Okay. So it is an autobiography. He is writing about his own experience. Okay. And then, but it was not just the batsman that I studied. I also loved bowling. So what he was saying, I not only studied batsman, but also I love bowling also. Okay. Throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. What he was telling, I bowled a lot in the nets. That means he played. Okay. I was then studying in the New English School. So he was studying in which school? New English School in Mumbai. Where he was studying? He was studying in New English School in Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Shadashram Vidya Mandir, where Ramkant Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. Okay, so here in the school, who is the coach? The coach name is Ramakant Achrekar sir. Okay. So here gave due to importance to the game of cricket. So in the school they are giving much importance to the cricket. He runs summer camps too. So this coach, who is the coach? What is his name? Ramakant Achrekar sir. So he is the coach. So he is giving training for the people. Okay. He runs summer camps too. So he is running summer camps also. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So Ajit, who is Ajit? We can know about this. Okay. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So who is taking? Ajit took Tendulkar to the coach and to get the training. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp, but then it was up to sir to decide who to accept. So there are so many people will come into the training, but this coach will select only one person only. Okay. Who is the coach? Ramkant Achrekar sir. I was 11 years old then. So he was 11 years old that time. Achrekar sir, as I referred to him, started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So when I was 11 years old, I met him. Okay. I had never battled. I had never bat in the nets before and felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. So he was very surprised to see so many people around him. This is the first experience I have. Who is telling? Tendulkar. Okay. When I was asked to bat, so this is the first time I am batting. Okay. When I was asked to bat, I was not at all comfortable. So who is giving training? Ramkant Achrekar sir is giving the training. So Tendulkar is joined in the training, but he was very shy and not comfortable in the first time. I was asked to bat. I was not comfortable with sir watching me so closely. So the coach was watching him so closely. I failed to make an impact. But what Tendulkar is telling, I failed to make an impression to him. Sir called Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp. So here they didn't give that who is Ajit. Ajit is the Tendulkar's brother. Okay, Ajit is the Tendulkar brother. So sir called Ajit. So who is calling? The coach was calling Ajit aside and informed him that I was perhaps too young to make the camp and suggested that he should bring me back. What the coach was telling, your brother was very young, so he has to grown up. So after that you can bring him. Who told this? Ajrekar. The coach told this. Okay, and my induction to the into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have ended in failure. So because of his young age, the coach did not select him. Okay, and then it was a first failure to him. Who told this? Tendulkar. But for Ajit's insistence, having seen me play in the colony, so his brother Ajit knows his talent. Who? His brother Ajit knows his talent. Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Ajrekar sir. So what Ajit is telling, you can perform better than before him. He explained that I was nervous and asked her to give me one more opportunity. So he explained that I was nervous, asked her to give me one more opportunity. So his brother Ajit went to the coach and tell he was first time he was batting. So he was very nervous. Please give him a second chance to him. However, he suggested that while doing so, Sir should pretend to go away and then watch from a distance. So his coach was standing at a distance and watching him, how he was playing. Sir agreed. Before long, I was asked to bat again. So the second chance was given to Tendulkar and the coach was watching at a distance. Without sad trained eyes scrutinizing me, so I thought I felt more at ease. Soon started to hit the ball. So now I am very comfortable in batting the second time. This time sir agreed to let me join the camp. So this time the coach agreed Tendulkar to join in the camp. I was very delighted. Delighted means happy. Who was telling this all the things? Tendulkar was telling about his own experience. Okay, which school he studied and what are the things whom he met. Okay, which coach he met. Okay, like that he was telling his own experience. I was delighted and must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. So first time he didn't select it. The second time he was selected and he was very happy and he was transformed fully. The camp involved a session every morning. So what is in that camp? They have given training for the students. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. Okay, the camp is giving training for morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So which time he is practicing? 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning he used to practice. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. So I will come back in the afternoon also and I practice till evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted. What do you mean by exhausted? Exhausted means very tired. So here So he has a training from the morning to till evening. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. What happened? From the morning till evening, he has training. So after that, he was fully exhausted, means he was very, very tired after. And then traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra. So traveling to the Shivaji Park. Why is going to Shivaji Park? To get the training. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes from my homes in Bandra. And I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. So I want to catch the bus on earlier. Okay, on time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied him. So, for the first few days, his brother also accompanied him to get me used to the routine. During the bus journey, he would talk to me about the nuisance of batting. So, in the bus journey, Tendulkar and his brother used to talk about the batting, and they enjoyed their conversation a lot. Okay, who they are traveling? Tendulkar and his brother Ajit were traveling in the bus and they are enjoying the conversation. The conversation is about the batting. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. So what Tendulkar is telling, his brother Ajit gave so many thoughts of about batting, and he is also support me in every step. Okay, so this lesson, what is the first, we will sum up that, then you can understand. So in the early age, what he played the tennis ball. And then what happened? Who is the favorite cricketer to him? For Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar and Vivid Richards. And then which school he studied? He studied in New English School. And then who is the coacher? The coacher name is Ramgand Achrekar sir. And then he has a training camp, summer camp. In that camp he joined. At first he failed, and the second time he played well, and the coach was selected Tendulkar, and he was very, very delighted. And what happened? And he Tendulkar and his brother used to travel in the bus. They have a conversation about batting. So these all the words is told by Tendulkar. Autobiography means they are telling about their own experience. Okay, that is that. So 2 pages I have completed. The next pages we will see in the next class. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through phone. Okay, next class we will see you. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.